Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious air-fried chicken wings with a delicious lemon pepper sauce. So to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around so I can show you guys all the ingredients you need to make this recipe. So the ingredients you need is going to be a large pack of chicken. I already went ahead and cleaned my chicken. You guys know I always use a lime to clean my chicken and rinse it under some hot water. So I already did that step, but if you want more information on how I clean chicken, check out the card that just popped up. And you will be needing 1 garlic, and I went ahead and grated that garlic. You can definitely chop it up if you want, but I feel like you get more flavor when you grate it. You'll need 2 lemon. I have 2 to 3 teaspoons of the Haitian Epis. Again, I have a video of this up in this channel. Check the card to take you to that video. 1 to 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of onion powder. And you are going to be needing some butter. I was gonna say 1 butter, but some butter. And you need some Parmesan cheese. And if you have sour orange juice, you are going to be needing some of that. If you don't, you can use the juice of your lime. And of course, you are going to be needing some salt and pepper, and of course, the air fryer. Don't forget to check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so to season our chicken, you are going to go ahead and put in your Epis. I just absolutely love using Epis in a lot of my meat recipes. If you haven't, make sure you try that, guys. I promise you will not regret it. And I am going to be using about 1 to 2 teaspoons of onion powder. I'm not measuring, but you guys know I always leave the exact measurements down in the description box for you guys, as I mentioned before. And if you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. And also go ahead and follow me in my other social medias. And I'm putting some black pepper. I'm putting about 1 teaspoon of salt. And I am going to grate the skin of the lemon because we are making Parmesan lemon pepper chicken. And of course, you want to make sure your lemon is clean. Okay, that's very important. All right, take every bit out, and I'm going to cut that lemon. Take out the seed because we don't need that. That one is being stubborn. There's always a stubborn one in the bunch. All right, just like that, squeeze that in. And now with your hands, but before I do that, I want to use my sour lemon. I'm going to just take a cap, so about 1.5 teaspoons. Okay. Use our great utensils and just mix everything. And I like to let this marinate for about 30 minutes before I put it in the air fryer. That way I can be sure that it's all seasoned. Okay. And while we are waiting for that, we can definitely start working on our sauce. Okay. Looks nice and green, but delicious. Now we are going to let this sit for 30 minutes, as I mentioned, until we air fry it. All right, so to make that delicious sauce, we are going to be using that stick of butter. That seems like a lot, but you guys, delicious food is never really the healthiest, but it's always good, right? Let me make sure that butter is melting before I put that garlic in. I do have other wings video on this channel. I made a Haitian wings with barbecue liquor, that Haitian rum. So make sure you check out that video as well. All right. So I like I don't like my garlic to technically fry, but I do like it to infuse with that butter. So I went ahead and add it now. Make sure you are not burning that garlic though, guys. Okay. And let that do its thing for a minute or two. All right, so at this point, I did turn down that heat to about a medium low, and I am going to grate some of that skin from my lemon. Try to get as much of it as you can. We want that lemony taste to our chicken. Okay, and scrape it off. And now I went ahead and cut that lemon, and I'm using the lemon squeezer to take the juice out. This will take all my muscles, squeeze. All right, take that one out. I'm going to put in the other one. Squeeze. Just like that. And now I'm going to add a little salt, nothing too crazy, because the butter does have a little bit of salt. Okay. This looks so delicious already. Again, it's a lot of butter, but we are air frying our chicken, guys, so it balances out. Okay. Taste. Nice and lemony and garlicky, just how we want it. And now go ahead and turn this off so we can start air frying the chicken. My chicken is all done marinating. Now you want to go ahead and take it and put it on that rack. If you don't have an air fryer, you can definitely deep fry these and use that same method with that sauce. Okay, so you don't have to, but it's definitely healthier to air fry them. Just line them up just like that. I'm trying to fit as much as I can because I know once they start cooking, they are going to shrink a little bit. Just like that. Maybe I'll put a couple more here. And the air fryer I'm using is Parmesan air fryer. You guys know I did a review on them. They are wonderful. And they give some of my subscribers 5 air fryers. So I love that company. Put that on the other rack. I am only using 2 racks. Okay. If you're still watching and you haven't subscribed, I do not know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and subscribe. You don't want to miss my future recipes that I have coming up. You want to subscribe, guys. You don't want to miss out. Okay, I have 2 more. I'm going to try to squeeze on there, just like that. And go ahead and put that and remove that paper. I want to give myself a little space. There we go. And go ahead and close that. And I want that temp to be at 400. Just like that. And I am going to cook it for 25 minutes. Just so they can be nice and crispy. Okay? And okay. I'll see you guys after they are done. All right, guys, my chicken is all done. As they are still hot, you want to go ahead and grab that garlic and lemon sauce. Make sure that's nice and warm too, and we are going to drizzle. Don't put everything in at once because you don't want to drench it. We just want to make sure you have some good amount. And take that cheese and grate it right on top of it. That one you can put as much or as little cheese as you want. Totally up to you, but I like mine nice and cheesy. And I went ahead and chopped some fresh parsley just for some beautiful color, just like that. Now you want to go ahead and toss everything. just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and try one and taste one just to make sure it's good. It is really, really hot, you guys. So if I burn myself, don't laugh at me. It is so nice and so juicy. So moist, exactly what I was looking for. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And if you do try this recipe, don't forget to tag me on your social media. And I love you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.